Well, what's up, guys? We're here in JPM. We're doing Lorenzo, his Razz for the Gordie Howe out of 10. Absolutely beautiful card. So, I'm just going to go down here, and we're going to drop the live. Drop the live. It is 6:08 p.m. 6:08 p.m. here in Denver, Colorado. We're going to go and grab our list. We got Nick on top and Nick on the bottom. Nick, if you win this, you know who to contact. Gonna get a fresh list. Nick on top, Nick on the bottom, no spaces in between. Guys, we are gonna go 3 times. Timestamp after 2 and 3. Good luck. 1. Nick on top. 2. Chris on top. Copy that. Wait, whoops. Oh, yeah. Man, a little bit rusty. A little bit out of it. That timestamp was in at 6:09. It's 6:09. Third and final random, everybody. Good luck. Chris, spot 2. Grab this final timestamp. Chris, congratulations. It's a sweet card. And that was in at 6:09. It is 6:09. Again, Chris, 3 times. Congratulations.